Understanding the scanner function. The scanner has three main states. 37 means the scanner is muted, 01 means the scanner is active, 85 means the scanner is blocked. When the clamp is up, the scanner is muted and reads 37 on the display. This allows the operators to set the bar for the bend. Once the foot pedal is pressed to close the clamp, the scanner does a quick scan, then goes back to mute for any last-second adjustments of the bar. When the two-button station is pressed, the scanner is active and reads 01 on its display. Now, if an obstacle enters the area, the motion will stop. The light tower will blink red, indicating an emergency stop. Press the green start button, then press the two-button station to resume the bend. Light tower. The light tower has 5 states. Red indicates emergency stop, yellow indicates warning, green indicates a clockwise rotation of the turntable, blue indicates counterclockwise rotation of the turntable, white means the bender is active. Operation. To start the machine, be sure there is nothing sitting on the tabletop. The scanner does an initial scan on startup to be sure the tabletop is free from obstructions. Locate the main power switch at the back of the machine. Switch the main power switch to the on position. The lights on the light tower will blink on and off. Wait 30 seconds for the scanner to complete its initial scan. The indicator lights on the scanner will be red and yellow, and the display will read 00. As the scanner makes its initial pass, the indicator lights will change from red and yellow states to green. The display will then change from 00 to 01. Now, press the green start button on the left side of the machine and hold it for 5 seconds. The display will read 37. Now, press the start button again, and you are ready to begin setting up your shape. The light tower will show the white light at the bottom. When ready to bend, the light tower will indicate the direction of the bend will be. Green indicates clockwise, blue indicates counterclockwise. Press down on the foot pedal to close the clamp. Walk to the two-button station. Now press both buttons at the same time to complete the bend and return the bender to home. If you lift the hand of one of the buttons, the motion will stop. Continue pressing both buttons to complete the bend. Errors. If the scanner display reads 85, it means the scanner has been blocked or the field has been broken. Remove the obstacle, and the scanner display will return to 01 for its active state. Press and hold the green start button for 5 seconds. The scanner display will return to 37. If an emergency stop occurs during the bend cycle, be sure to reset the e-stop. Then, press the green start button to reset the machine. Now, press the two-button station to complete the bend. Steps to bend with two-button station. Once the shape is programmed and the control is ready to run, set the bar to your chalk mark. Press the foot pedal to close the clamp. Walk to the two-button station. Press and hold both buttons to make the bend and return the bender to home. Release the buttons when the bend pin returns to home. Press the foot pedal to open the clamp. Remove the shape.